Hello guys! So since this year I decided to do the Christmas special and upload 3 videos a week every week for the month of December and maybe January if you voted on my Instagram. I decided that I wanted to do a lot of Christmas related stuff or holiday related stuff, and this time I want to do a video where I show you some sort of a gift guide, but nothing that is given and nothing that is ready. I wanted to go more into the creative part of gifting somebody something that they would like and something that goes with the personality, who they are as a person, maybe colors they like, all that stuff. Of course, before we jump straight into this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell button if you want to get notified about any further Christmassy related videos. And of course I do a lot of reviews on affordable brands such as Essence. And of course make sure to follow me on my social media if you want to be a part of my family, chat with me, choose my next video, vote things on my Instagram. I do a lot of polls. I think I drive you guys insane. And without further rambling, let's go straight into the gift guide. Because I've been in this situation where you don't really have a lot to spend, but you have a lot of people you want to please by buying them presents, you know, for Christmas and stuff, I wanted to make a gift guide where you don't really break the bank, but you can make really beautiful presents and really thoughtful presents. Because when you thought through something that you're gifting someone and they know it matches their personality, they can see that you actually put a lot of effort. The prices are completely up to you. In the gift sets, it's items that I have put in. You might get inspired from the way I've created the gift sets and create your own ones for way cheaper than 30 euros. For the price, I feel like these gift sets are beautiful, and whoever you're gonna gift these to, they're gonna absolutely adore them. I think everybody has this sort of friends where they're obsessed with the color. So I came up to the idea of creating your own color themed box. Now I've created 3 color themed boxes here with the makeup that I already had in my vanity. Now you can go out and you can find, you know, the color theme that you're interested in and pick and choose certain things that you would like to put in this color category and then present it nicely. Today I'm going to show you 3 color themed presents, and we have the gold category / neutral, we've got the silver category, and of course I could not leave out the pink category. So the pink bundle / set comes up to 26.09 euros, and it consists of the Essence In Love with Rose eyeshadow palette, the Essence Mosaic blush in the Berry Connections, the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Frog, the Essence Loose Glitter in Cotton Candy, the I Love Extreme Mascara by Essence, and last but not least the Maybelline Shine Lipstick in number 50 Baddest Beige. The Essence In Love with the Rose palette, you guys know I really like it. It's beginner friendly, so if you're gifting something to somebody who's much younger and loves pink, I find this to be beautiful. The Essence Mosaic blush, if you're new with makeup, you can very well use this blush because it's such good quality. It has this satin finish which gives the very healthy glow on the cheeks. So here I put a pink tubed mascara which kind of complements the theme. This specific one from Essence, I like it, but you guys know I can't really tell you much about mascaras because my lashes are extremely small, so I don't really see a difference. I know though that it doesn't smudge, that's why I put it into the bundle. If you want to spice up the look a little bit, I put in 2 options that you can go from like neutral everyday to nighttime glam with the palette and these additions. Of course, one of them is the shade Frog from the Super Soft Shadows, which is sort of a glitter. Oh my god, I love this, look at that. It's a topper, so it will go on top of any of the shadows that's inside this kit that I put here. And of course some holographic pink glitter from Essence. I absolutely love this. It will definitely spice up a look. It can go in the inner corner, you can make a nice eyeliner with the glitter. It's beautiful. Of course, when you have a lot of going on, you've got glitters, you've got pinks, you've got, you know, big mascara going on. I put also a nude lip, of course with pink packaging to complement. This is Baddest Beige from Maybelline, and it's slowly becoming one of my favorite nudes. If I wanted to go glossy with what I'm wearing right now, I would definitely pop a little bit of that on my lips. Super hydrating, super pigmented, it doesn't get stuck on your lips. I think it is an overall really beautiful formula by Maybelline. That is our first bundle, which is the pink set. It's 26.09 €, and of course you can customize it. I'm just giving you ideas here. You can maybe take the mascara out, put a pink eyeliner in. Maybe take out the Essence blush and put a pink highlighter in. You can do literally anything you want. I'm just giving you the idea and some ready bundles that I have created for myself. Okay, so now we have the gold neutral bundle set, which comes up to €25.78, and we have the Essence Million Nude Faces eyeshadow palette, the NYX slide-on eye pencil in the shade Glitzy Gold, the Primark Radiant Glow highlighter in Moonlight Beam, the Colourpop Super Soft Shadow in Telepathy, the Essence Loose Glitter in Golden Nuggets, and the Makeup Revolution Live on the Dance Floor in the shade Invite Only. I've chosen the eyeshadow palette from Essence, again, Million Nude Faces. It's in the same packaging as the previous one I showed you. This is beautiful, really good quality, very easy to work with if it's for a beginner. I have paired it with a very beautiful gold eyeliner from NYX, and I think it complements the colors. Oh my god, look how pretty it goes with this taupe color in the middle. You guys, this very dirty, rusty, antique gold, it is so beautiful. It just does something to me, and you can see how beautifully it pairs with the eyeliner. And of course, if that's not enough and you want to zhuzh it up even more, then you can go on and put some of this chunky gold glitter by Essence. You guys, you've seen me use it in a previous video when I first tried it on. It is gorgeous. It has bigger particles, smaller particles, tiny glitter in it. Of course, I had to go with a highlighter. I couldn't find in my collection a very gold highlighter because my skin tone is too light for a gold highlighter, but I found one that I really liked, and I've used it and abused it for so long, and it's this Primark one, and it's actually got this goldy sort of champagne shade, which fits the theme because it's very neutral, but it pulls a little bit of champagne gold. The new packaging, of course, will have the gold letters at the front and the highlighter peeking at the back, so it fits the theme of the neutral slash gold. Rude! This lipstick is so beautiful, and it's like this very pale nude that I think complements the gold so pretty. Like, look at it here with all of the golds and the neutrals. I feel like it would be so beautiful and ethereal on the face. I can just imagine it. So I put this one. It has the gold glitter packaging, of course it fits the theme. And if you don't want to go with this shade, they also have the other Life on the Dance Floor lipsticks in the gold glitter packaging that are a little bit on the darker side than this one, also nudes as well. I feel like you're getting a lot of really good stuff in here for just €25. In this bundle, as in any other bundle that I will show you, you can always take one thing out and put something else in. It depends on your budget, on your mood, on what you're going for, on what the person that you're shopping for might like, all of that. Last but not least, I think we have my personal favorite set because, I don't know, I just really like the aesthetic of this set. So we have the silver bundle, which comes up to €30.13. And we have the Makeup Revolution Live on the Dance Floor After Party eyeshadow palette, the Makeup Revolution Jelly highlighter in the shade Dazzling, the Primark Glitter Glaze liquid eyeliner, the Essence Loose Glitters in the shade Pink Piñata, the Essence Melted Chrome eyeshadow in the shade Still the Look, and the Essence Velvet Matte lipstick in the shade 12 It's 4 o'clock. I just really love the aesthetic of this bundle because it's very silvery and sparkly. It's very modern and beautiful. It's something that you could actually have, you know, on your vanity sitting and making it look really pretty. And this palette was a limited edition from last year, but it still exists on Cosmetic for Less and I think on Makeup Revolution's own website, so you can still find it. But I would actually go for their new one, which has the exact same packaging but different shades in there, and some of the shades are even bigger, which costs €2 less than the new one. So it's up to your budget, whatever you want to go with. We've got the jelly highlighter in the silver version, which is the shade Dazzling, and this is actually so weird and beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. It is actually so blinding to put it on the cheekbones, and it has like a very interesting texture. This actually adds, you know, the wow factor in your bundle as well. You guys know I've raved about these eyeshadows. The Melted Chromes from Essence are just gorgeous, pure, metallic goodness. Like, look at this, incredible. Look at this pigment. This just makes me want to eat this eyeshadow. Really beautiful. Then because everything was like glittery themed and it had this sparkle and stuff, I was like more. So I think that's why I love this bundle a lot, because it's like more like me. I added this silver glitter from Essence, which also has some like blue and yellowish sparkles in there. I find it very interesting. And from Primark, a liquid eyeliner, which you can actually put, you know, under here to brighten up your lower lash line. I do this a lot and I really love it. The Velvet Matte Lipstick from Essence, yes, I put the black shade right here, which is actually, it's actually pretty black. It's a really good range, these Velvet Matte lipsticks, and there is a lip swatch video that's gonna be coming up. If it's up before this video, I will be leaving it down below and in the card up here. If it's not, just a little bit more patience, it's coming because I have filmed it. I put this black lipstick because, I don't know, it kind of fit the aesthetic of, you know, all the silver and the black, and look how pretty it would look just standing on your vanity. Okay, I don't want to break anything. It is the more expensive sort of bundle because we have the bigger eyeshadow palette there, which costs quite more than the Essence ones. The Essence ones are $3.95 and this eyeshadow palette is $13.99. That doesn't fit your budget, you take the eyeshadow palette out and you put something else in. Maybe you want to put a very silvery beaming highlighter to complement, you know, the jelly highlighter in this bundle. You're not just gonna go with a color theme and then put it in a bag and say, here you go, Merry Christmas, this is your present. No. If you're gonna go with a colored theme, then you have to follow through. So if you go with a pink theme, make sure to go with a pink box to complement everything. If you go with a gold theme, make sure to go with a pretty, you know, gold box to complement everything. And when they open this box, you can kind of have gold sort of little papers around, or this wrapping paper that you use inside. So if you present this pretty gold box and then you open in this gold paper inside and gold little sparkles, and then people have to like look through the paper and the gold sparkles and all they find is like gold items, I think it just makes such a great impression and it really shows that you cared and you looked at what this person likes. So now I'm gonna be more specific and I want to focus more on the very affordable side of the products. I wanted to say that I'm actually absolutely loving the loose glitters from Essence, and they have so many different colors for you to choose from. If you want to get something for somebody that loves trying things out, loves the glitter, loves the shine, loves the sparkle, you could actually go and get all of the Essence glitters, which I feel like they're, I'm sorry, I have like my cheat sheet down here. All of the glitters from Essence, they have like so many different colors at €30.25. So what you could do is get, you know, one of these very pretty circle boxes and pop the glitters inside with some like sparkling paper and give somebody 13 juicy, beautiful glitters where they can experiment and play with. They love this glittery, shiny sort of lifestyle with their makeup. They're actually going to adore the glitters. And you're not also gonna break the bank. You don't even really have to get all 13. Just grab the colors from the glitters that you think represent your friend the most and just go for it. Every single tube of glitter is literally filled all the way to the top. Literally when you open it, some of it is gonna spill out. That's how full the tubes are, and they cost $2.95 each. So you've got a lot of options and you can take it as far as your budget goes. So for the single item category presents, which is the one that I'm telling you right now, so you get one item but in multiple colors, I wanted to focus mainly on the eyes and on the lips. For the eyes, we did the glitter, since it's like holiday season and you want to sparkle and you want to do this little bit of extra on your eyes. But now I want to go towards the lip area. So here's where I'm gonna introduce the Velvet Matte Lipsticks by Essence. You've got absolutely so many colors to choose from. You got nudes, you got pinks, you got black, you got reds. So if you would like to get this whole set, which would actually look really beautiful, again, if you can get a circle box and get them all in there like this, that would look so pretty if somebody opens it up, and they would literally have a lipstick for any makeup look that they would like to do. So if you want to buy all 12 shades, that would be €27, and each individual lipstick comes down to $2.25. So again, you don't have to go with all 12. Choose your favorite shades. That could be, I don't know, maybe with the reds or the pinks or the darker shades or the more fun shades. It is just an ideas video. I'm not saying to you go and buy all of these for 27 euros. No, you can actually go for half of these, for 3 of these, for 4 of these, depending on how much you were willing to spend. Last but not least is a category that I would die if I received this present. We're gonna go on to the Essence Colourpop Mad About Matte liquid lipstick collection. They're all beautiful. Every single shade you could ever wish for is right here. Pinks, reds, purples, darks, lights, nudes, everything, mauves, everything. There's also a lip swatch video. I'm gonna leave it up here in the card and down below in the description, guys. So these individually are 275, a little bit more expensive than the velvety ones, and the whole set of 10 is 27 euros and 50 cents. So again, we're under the 30 euro mark, and imagine if somebody opened a box and found all of these lipsticks. Like, imagine a liquid lipstick junkie opening 10 new liquid lipstick shades. And you guys, these are bomb. They're absolutely beautiful on the lips. Please go and watch the lip swatch video and you're gonna see what I'm talking about 100%. That was my whole idea. It was basically to suggest to you what I would do if I was on a budget, and if one of my friends really liked one of these categories or a single color, I would go all out. And remember, packaging is a must. You can't just pick the pink bundle and not, you know, surrounded with nice pink paper and packaging and bows and everything. And now that I've come to packaging, really soon I'm gonna be posting a video where I'm showing you really cute packaging that you can do so affordably. So we continue on that matter of, you know, making something look really pretty and presentable and valuable while we haven't spent that much. So we do it on the affordable side. And yeah, this video is most likely gonna be coming this week or next week, very soon after this video anyways. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.